Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. As I promise you, I will make a portrait with soft pastel. So I'm back with my promise. For this painting, I'm using a regular soft pastel, also using pastel pencils for making the smaller parts of the face like eyes and nose. It's a very simple tutorial of portrait with soft pastel. I'm trying to make this tutorial simple as possible that you can easily understand. So this is the reference photo that I'm gonna make right now. I found he is very cute, so I decided to make his portrait. For this painting, I'm using burnt sienna, burnt umber, yellow ochre, white, red, black, and the most important color, peach. I always start from eyes, also using the same process like my previous work, using black and burnt sienna on the eyeball because his eye is a little bit brown, so everyone has a different types of eye color, so it can be different all the time. I'm using peach for the first layer of eyelid, and the second layer is burnt sienna. I don't have to use too much dark color for this painting because he has very fair skin tone, so it's not necessary. For eyebrows, I'm using black and burnt sienna. As you can see, I'm working with pastel pencils because we can't use big size soft pastel on smaller parts like eyes and nose. When you work with soft pastel, your first step is just adding the basic layers. So you have to identify the darkest and the lightest part of the face. The first layer I am adding is peach and yellow ochre. Then I am adding burnt sienna and burnt umber on the dark areas. Working with soft pastel is totally different because we can't use any kind of brushes or blender for mixing the colors. It's not like oil painting or pencil drawing. It's totally different. You just have to use your hand for blending the colors. Making a portrait is totally depends on the lighting situation, so you have to identify the light and shadow before any portrait painting. Adding a wrong color in wrong place make a huge difference on the realism. Now I'm making the hair and adding burnt umber as a first layer, and then adding black over this layer. Now it's time to blend in the colors, and this is the most important process of soft pastel painting because I'm gonna use my fingers for mixing the colors. So do it carefully because it totally depends on you how you blend it. For background, I'm using red and black. I have almost finished, and this is the final painting. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel then please go and subscribe for more amazing updates, and I'll see you next week.